Today, I'm going to show you some of the best ways to make money online with Notebook LM, which is a free AI. So it's all optimized, it's all simplified, and it communicates exactly how I would want it to communicate to get the best results possible. Now, you can do some other stuff as well inside Notebook LM, like quizzes and flashcards. I honestly don't think that this is particularly great for monetizing these two things. It's just great for coaching and teaching and learning, right? That's the main thing. Bear in mind as well, a lot of people on the internet, like, they don't speak English as a first language as well. So when you simplify, you can just communicate with more people. If you communicate with more people, you're going to make more money, right? Now, I'm just going to go over to GenSpark and let's just find out what's the average reading level in the US. This is just useful to know. Yeah, so the average reading level is 7th or 8th grade, but bear in mind, you're not going for the average. You're trying to go for as many people as you can. Half of American adults' reading level is below a 6th grade level, and nearly 1 in 5 have below a 3rd grade level, right? And so you can see here that if 20, let's say, for example, over half of American adults, or let's say, for example, 20% of the US reads at below a 3rd grade level. Well, that means you're missing out on like 20% of the big market, if you go mass market with your AI copy, because you're not communicating in the right way if you don't simplify it, if you don't move it down to like 3rd grade level. And so that's why I recommend just keeping it simple. That's just what works for me. And I've done that on ads, I've tested it on sales copy and everything else. So the other thing that we're going to do here is if we go over to audio, let me just remove the background noise cancellation. And then I'm going to play this audio that you can see here.
Exactly. We've got the stack of materials, and they're all about moving past just, basic ChatGPT stuff.
Tinkering with prompts, as they put it.
Right, into building fully automated systems that actually generate profit. So when you look at...
Basically, what it's doing is it's selling our services, selling what we sell, and it's doing it in a very subtle way because it feels like a natural podcast, but actually really what it is an advertorial subtly selling our services and what we get, etc. Right? So just to recap, what we've done so far is we've created this sales machine that can write VSL, sales pages, that can generate traffic, that can funnel traffic to our money pages, like you can see with the whiteboard. This works in 3 different steps, which is number 1, creating and automating the content with AI. Number 2, posting that content across multiple different platforms. For example, X, School, YouTube, Medium, and then funneling all that traffic to the page where you make money because attention equals money, right? And so that's what you're doing with Notebook LM. You can do it all for free. You can also create videos and you can create podcasts like I'm showing you today. Now, with the podcast, what you can actually do is you can go into Medium, or you can embed that on your blog, or you can upload that into social media.